Sorry. Okay. Hi guys, it's Bree. Sorry about like the first 2 seconds of this video. I was running, so I have to catch my breath. Hold on, give me a minute. Alright, I'm good. Alright, so this video is gonna be a harmless, not really gonna be harmless, it's gonna be a video of my cousin Joey taking a nap, and he doesn't believe that he snores, so this is the proof. So enjoy, I guess. But yeah, okay, let's go. By the way, if you see my room, don't mind it. It's just really gross. Well, there's the laptop went.
I don't have an opinion. No.
You know, on more than just car insurance.
I don't want to get involved in it because that was really nice. How can you expect it when you guys are expensive all of a sudden you don't want to have anything to do with your friends? You don't want to do anything with them. Because you want to do anything with them. All the time.
Mommy, it's Auntie Debbie. Mom. Mom, it's Auntie Debbie.
Hello? What you doing? Cooking. Oh, I'm putting the cookies together right now. Yes, I did, my love. It's in the oven. And Liz is bringing Tom. She's bringing Tom. You know the turkey? Yeah, she's bringing the turkey. She's bringing a freezer.
So I think that's enough of you saying to sleep. Sleep's different, yes, ma'am.
She says everybody's going to be having coming over and turkey all year long. It's crazy.
If you want any more pranks on my family and everything else, you should totally subscribe or leave a comment. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, I don't know.
Say goodbye, Joe.
It's going to be loud. Yeah, we don't know.